Hi, good morning, students. We are in the topic of energy, and then in the page of in your textbook, you have to open page 132. Okay, we're gonna do the subtopic of energy cannot be created or destroyed. Okay, so here what we can learn is about that energy that it cannot be created or destroyed. It's all the changes occurs in the world depend on energy. That is first thing that you have to know. Then it can be transformed, okay, from one level to another level, but it cannot be created or destroyed. For example, if you see this motor race, the moving motorcycle has kinetic energy. Moving means any movable object, we say it has kinetic energy. Does the motorcycle create its own kinetic energy to move? Okay, how is the kinetic energy of this motorcycle created? Energy cannot be created. To allow the motorcycle to move, the motorcycle engine transforms the chemical energy into kinetic energy. Here, this is the answer. The motorcycle, it's not creating the own kinetic energy to move, whereas the engine, there's a part in the motorcycle where it transforms the chemical energy into kinetic energy. This is how the transformation happens. So it's not created or it's not destroyed, but it is transformed. Okay. And if you see at the petrol station, let's fill the tank with some petrol first. Oh, the motorcycle engine transformed the chemical energy into the petrol, uh, into kinetic energy. So you see the engine, just now I said the engine is the one transform chemical energy into kinetic energy. But the engine, where does the engine gets the energy? So the engine gets the energy from the petrol. Okay, so we know that one of the gas, or we can say fossil fuels, or where it become an instrument to transform the chemical energy to kinetic energy. The engine got the petrol, right? So after a few days, why did this motorcycle stop there? Oops, it ran out of petrol. Okay, so why is the motorcycle not moving? What happens to the kinetic energy to the motorcycle? Yes, has the kinetic energy of the motorcycle been destroyed? No, it got not destroyed. No. Okay, energy cannot be destroyed. As the motorcycle moves, some of its kinetic energy also transform into other forms of energy, such as sound and also heat energy. Okay, see here, the moving object, it also has other form of energy like sound energy, heat energy, potential energy. All these are transformed. So the motorcycle eventually stopped moving when all the chemical energy from the petrol is completely transformed into other forms of energy. See, chemical energy from petrol and kinetic energy is the movement of a motorcycle. And then we have heat energy plus sound energy produced from the movement of motorcycle. Okay, based on the situation, that we can conclude that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can be transformed. That is the whole thing that we want to know through this subtopic. Okay, that energy, we cannot create energy, we cannot destroy energy, but we can transform the energy from one energy to another. Okay, so then let's look at next one. It's about renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Okay, the energy sources actually classified into two, renewable and non-renewable. So observe the chart below. This is the chart, very important chart you have to understand. So energy sources, we have renewable, a source of energy that can be generated continuously. That means we can always get. we don't will not face shortage in energy, renewable energy. Whereas non-renewable energy sources that are limited, that cannot be and cannot be regenerated. Regenerated means we cannot like refill. No, we can't do, because it is limited. Once it's finished, once it's done, that's it. Okay. So the sun is the constant source of energy. Waves exist naturally. Water is always available. Wind is unlimited and is everywhere. Biomass is always available because of if it exists in natural substances, whereas non-renewable fossil fuels will run out in the future. Coal, arambatu, natural gas, petroleum, okay. Nuclear substance such as uranium is limited. Okay. So you can give examples of energy sources which are renewable and non-renewable. These are the ones. So you have to remember the red color. The sun, wave, water, wind, biomass, and here we have coal, natural gas, petrol. Okay, so this is the future energy poster. Gather information, then create poster about given examples of renewable energy sources that has the potential to be the future source of energy. Okay, biodiesel. Biodiesel is a fuel made from vegetable oil or animal fat. From February 2019, all petrol stations in Malaysia supply diesel that is mixed with palm oil. Biodiesel. Bio means something to do vegetable and animal. Okay, right, and then the next one, using energy, we'll do next round. Okay, so today your job is to do this chart. Please don't forget to do this chart in your book. Okay, this is very important, and teacher will give you some live worksheet for you. All right. Okay, so thank you. See you next week. Bye.